Tussy does it. No, okay. So you guys, how about I've never tried Hawaiian barbecue. My brother put me on, so let's see what it's about. I told him to be in my video, but he doesn't want to. So there's that. Lovely. It smells like barbecue. Okay, so we got a cute bowl. We got another bowl. Oh my gosh, it's just not staying. Whoa! Excuse you. And there's you got 3 bowls? Okay, I'll take this one. Alright. And then you didn't get no spoons, huh? Lucky for me, I did. So I asked her for 2 extras, little sauces. Oh, I should be careful because I'm super picky. Like, I do not like certain things. We're gonna try it. Alright, you guys, I haven't ate ice because I don't have breakfast. So, there's that. And excuse my face, I got off work. You know. It looks like a rabbit food. Cheers. What? What? Oh yeah. Thank you. So what, the sauce you just dump it in?
It already has teriyaki chicken. I mean teriyaki in it. If you want to add more, put like half of one and check it out.
I'm gonna just dip something in it.
Or you can actually put it on top of like the vegetables and stuff. No, it's good. It's the same stuff that's on the chicken.
Okay.
It's a little sweet.
I want to go to sleep now.
Y'all see this?
Saturday at 7 on ESPN.
You guys, so I'm planning to do some challenges. You guys should comment below what you would like your girl to do. I have some things in mind. I'm kind of scared. That's why I'm not gonna like say it, because then it's like, why say it if I'm not gonna do it, you know? But yeah. I feel like I'm eating mad, like, fast. So far, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. I feel like it's a little too sweet. But I'm a person that doesn't really like sweet stuff or salty stuff. Like, I deadass will not eat carne asada if it tastes like salt. It's giving me side eyes, but like, like I don't.
But show them why you take care of your body so much. Show them your figure that you've been trying to preserve.
You guys, my family tries to tell me that I'm a little
not true.
Big. But like, puro cotorreo, because like, bullshit aside, I'm not. And like, even if I was, who cares? But I'm healthy, have clear skin, you know, I'm eating, I'm vibing. Oh, I didn't tell you guys, I got Dr. Pepper. Yeah, this is gonna be, you just have to be careful when you open a straw, because like, you'll get excited and then go pass, and that shit will bend, and then like, you can't drink no more. So For all the ice freaks. Just kidding. Bomb. Well, this beats eating air. Because sometimes I don't eat, you guys. I should take that off.
You're supposed to mix it up también.
Yeah, it's kind of dry on this side.
You know, if you get like some rice, some crepe.
You know what I really want to do? Like, I wish we lived closer, but we don't. To get, to do a mukbang with boiling crab. You never had that. But, yeah, it's just bomb. Like, personally, I love seeing those. I just don't eat shrimp because I can't stand the cabeza. But I like cracking the little patita. I was just staring at you guys, my dog, you guys can't see him, but he's in front of me.
Him and everyone else watching.
And he dead ass is just like on his casita, just staring. But I'm gonna show you, but honestly, their bed is a mess. Like, they took out the stuffing and stuff. So I'm not gonna show that. You're so big. Show the bedroom.
You know what you should do as an original content creator? Just choke on your food.
What the fuck? Why would I choke on my food?
Go and choke.
There's a banana floating in a pool inside an apartment.
How do you choke on your food for content? Like, won't you die?
No.
Reminded me of that. Well, I didn't tell you. So I kept seeing spiders.
No, you should stop smoking crystal meth.
No, stop. So I seen this is like, I got like this weird feeling, like I was like, oh my god, voy a levantar mi sábana porque se había tocado el piso, you know, and that's like, pues pueden subir las arañas. So I was like, fuck that. And it was like 3 in the morning. I woke up to go pee, and then I went and I fixed my bed. And tell me why. I wake up with a little bite on my finger. It's right there. Look. It's like little. But then I was like, what the fuck? Like, I wasn't tripping. I knew there was like a fly. I knew there was a spider. It's because there's like a big old mosca in here, you guys. And it's fucking annoying. I tried to lay down on the couch earlier. And that shit está como, it's como tipo chocón. Like, it gives no fucks. Like, it will go straight into you. But back to the spider. So then I was doing my hair, and then I don't know how it was. I think I needed to charge one of my chargers, and I noticed it was running like on the side. But like before, I had like this feeling, so I looked and I found it. And then today they had me at work acomodando dresses, and then I don't know, something told me like look at the floor, and I looked and there was another spider, and I'm like, dude, why do I keep seeing spiders? What the fuck? Like. Yo no soy amante de arañas, qué pedo.
I think you're their mom.
It was weird. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, imagine me están haciendo brujería. Okay. Cruz. Cruz. We got the cruz. Let's try to go. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, not my double chin. Ma'am, stay in place. Totally not cute. Not a cute angle at all. I fucking hate my background. Like, you guys, like, look at this old painting. And who? My dad. He likes old stuff. He has like an old barn, old seats. I'd show you guys a couch, but my dog kind of like fucked it up. Like, real bad. You know what I keep thinking of? I'm telling you. You know that episode where Selena's like, that's sad. Why you sad? And I keep thinking that shit. Like, my inner voice just says, that's sad. Look, fool. Look. Look.
He's doing a mukbang too. Eating his
Croquetas.
You should do the chip challenge.
I'm really interested. Should I do it?
Yes.
Alright. When should I do it?
And do the.
But dude, I can't drink milk.
Why would
And
make
people
it more
say
better?
people say that like that's like the only way you get rid of the spice.
It was like the best outcome ever. That's what people want to see.
That's crazy.
End up in the ER from the chip and churro.
I know. Qué feo.
I'll film it.
You down for? I got my camera too.
Calm down. We just do a bunch of stuff that makes you like end up in the ER.
You just want to kill me at this point.
I mean, let's make money first.
I'm down.
With the cameras, because I mean, I just need to get angles. Like if I need you to switch from one camera to another, or like so far now is doing a great job.
Have you seen a TikTok?
I'm like really interested. I've seen like a few girls doing like the hot.
Where it's like a girl and she's eating food and she's like other girls on dates and they're like I'm like, oh really, yeah, that's so cute, and they're like all dainty, you know, they're like, what, she's going like this. And it reminded me of me because sometimes I'll do like both, like I do cover my mouth but like I'm fucking wild at eating. And then they like show like when you give no fucks on your day, you're like, ah! She's like spitting out food and shit, like the white chicks, but like the movie. But it was fun. I'll show you after. You guys, I'm out of breath eating.
Yeah, right? Okay, see, you wouldn't expect that to bring that much, but I swear to God, if you just trust the process, you know.
But,
You don't think I'm like sexy enough to bring in the money?
Yum.
Okay,
Delicious.
you saw me on Twitch?
Okay. I'm so confused with mukbangs. Do you have to finish your food?
So yeah, no, this is basically it. This is what I've made.
Because lately I can't do that.
For like
You're doing it?
Yeah.
What?
And lately, do you have to, like, lately? For mukbangs, do you have to finish your food?
They probably edit a lot of stuff out. You know what you should do for like a fucking video idea?
Me? What? Links it? Oh, damn.
Go on a blind date or go on a date with your friends and then just take a bunch of X-Lax. Or you like make brownies and you make your friends eat it and you're like, oh, let's go to Santa Monica. Let's go to LA. And then just see what happens on the right day.
I'm never gonna do that. First of all, I don't think my friends are down to be filmed. And second of all,
you're not gonna tell them.
I'm not gonna.
It's gonna be a shit show.
I would never do that. Like, I swear to God. Like, who would do that? That's mean. I'm not accepting anything.
They'll do it here.
What? Taking lax?
No, for everyone, like pills. Not for
I'd rather just drink a fucking beer with mad chamoy in it.
or edibles. Edible brownies and see what happens.
Dude, no. Oh, remember when we ate the gomitas?
No.
Fool, you bought them. They were blue.
I don't know.
You bought them. They were blue, and we cut half. And then you guys. Okay, so I have some gomitas.
I'm on probation.
Okay, well, hypothetically speaking, if we were to eat these gomitas, I was I ate gomitas and dude, I was like on I ate blue ones and orange ones.
Yeah, right?
And I guess like my reactions
You should
were
do,
that I wanted. Hold on, because then I'm gonna lose it.
Yeah.
Remember, I wanted to. I kept talking about eating cereal with orange juice.
You don't think I'm like sexy enough to bring
Like,
it
what?
up?
Like that's just crazy.
Okay.
What were you gonna say?
You saw me on this?
You should do reviews on edibles.
Oh hell no, dude! I can't smoke. I get paranoid.
No, but edibles.
This is basically it. This is
I mean, I could try a little dose or something.
I'll go buy them
Me
tomorrow.
hago bien marihuana.
Alright.
Hi.
Yeah, I mean, like,
But,
stuff like some simple as,
alright guys, we're gonna, I'm gonna end this because I feel full. I feel full.
No, you have to eat it all.
I feel like I can't breathe.
So you drink?
Okay. Till next video.
That's shitty. You have to eat it
Toodles,
all.
babies. Why? Remember, Ceci fucking does it. I was changing my handle yesterday, and I noticed I hadn't really liked it. So that's gonna be the end of my videos. You already know Ceci does it. So comment, like, subscribe, and give me you know, like, tell me whatever you want to see from me. Like, baby, we
Jump off the
gonna
roof.
do. And then this daredevil over here just, you know, throwing ideas, which we will take some. But that'll complete this video.